Celeriac. So celeriac is actually the root of celery and tastes quite similar, but is earthy, sweet, and slightly bitter. To ensure they're healthy, you want them to be firm with no major bruises. We'll begin by peeling the skin as it's quite inedible. And you might have to go over some areas a few times as the skin can be quite tough. And there's our peeled celeriac. We'll cut in half. And from here, I'll begin to slice thinly, which is perfect when making purees or soups. Another method is to cut into large half moons, great for roasting or frying. Another technique is to cut into a large steak and grill, or sear, then roast in the oven. Lastly, I'll perform a rough dice, great to boil, cool, and then toss with walnuts, crème fraîche, and lemon juice for a refreshing salad. And there is our celeriac broken down.